It's party time, and everyone's invited. Well, more cake for the rest of us. Hey, guess she'll be too busy scaring students. Wow, these people sure do love staying home. Aw, Mommy Longlegs will dry those tears. Who says you can't trust monsters under the bed? Especially when they come with free boxes. Ooh, Rhinestones, and they're heart-shaped. And they'll cover all of life's little blemishes. Uh-oh, this calls for heavy artillery. Now it's time to suck out the poison. Now give us a smile. Oh, time for a brush. It's multi-sided, and we've even got an extra pair of arms to help. It already feels minty fresh. What else can we use? A fishnet stocking? Well, I guess that's a new look. Oh, it'll help give your makeup texture. Let's see how it looks. Wow! Looks like everything's coming up roses. Now let's do something for the eyes. Who needs all that makeup when you've got stickers? This should help with your eyebrows. Forget drawing them on. Let's start stamping. Wow. Ooh, it does mustaches too. What a bargain. Let's wipe it off and see what's next, shall we? Luminescent mascara? Put it on and see how it looks. Turn off the lights. This stuff glows in the dark. Okay, that's enough. Turn the lights back on. Now let's try this lip plumper. I don't think we need that much. Here, this bottle should help. Add to the rim. Press to your lips. We're having a lot of fun with stamps today. Ooh, let's do something with your hair. Shaving foam? Isn't shaving a little drastic? Though maybe she'll pull off the bald look. Never mind, she's just changing the color. Time to mix. So let's get those hands dirty. Now it's time for your hair to think pink. I guess her hair's dry clean only now. Anyone else in the mood for strawberry milkshakes? Wow! Looks great. Now let's see about adding some accessories. What sparkly ribbons? Let's tie them into your hair. They're like really shiny highlights. What else can we add? Huggy Wuggy! Oh wait, we just need the pop tube. Now where have I seen that hair squiggle before? It's time to clean those nails. Take out an electric brush and add soap. Your hands are looking better already. I was wondering who was holding the brush. She's got an idea to reuse this plastic straw. Cut it up small enough, and you've got fake nails. Gotta love the power of recycling. Ooh, it's about time to fix up that outfit. With just a few cuts, some tights become a top. Is it me or is she starting to look familiar? Ah, glue guns are the answer to everything. But I'm just not sure what the question is. What's she drawing exactly? Oh wow, it's like a fishnet vest.
Wow!
Now for these shorts. If a bra can be an eye mask, imagine what else it can be. Wrong side. Now shake what your mama didn't give you. Are you all right? Good idea. We need more pink stuff. Deflate for a new pair of ballet slippers. You know, if you still want that party, maybe this whole place needs a makeover too. Luckily, we've come prepared with our trusty feather vacuum. Kiss those cobwebs goodbye. Got any rugs we can sweep this under? Or we can just use these tights. Maybe add a glove at the end. And what else? Oh, look, a sock. With a few cuts, it'll help close it tight. Hang them up and add a little glow stick.
Wow!
The best part is, they fit right in the palm of their hands. Oh no! Oh, what a waste of good chocolate. We're gonna need something to fix the couch. Good thing Huggy Wuggy here's got shag to share. That should be enough. Just throw it on. Oh, don't cry. It'll grow back. Well, probably. It's still nothing to lose face over. I guess Kissy Missy must have swung by too. Wait a minute. That's not a table leg.
Oops.
Well, guess we don't need this. That was fun. Let's throw some more VHSs. Don't worry, everything's online anyway. Just add hot glue and piece them all together. We'll need a flat base, then stick some on top. They've been upgraded from table leg to table. Looking good. It can be our snack table. Wow, this place is just full of surprises. Here's an idea. Draw a face with glue. And add some glitter on top. Now we don't have to steal any more faces. Though I'm pretty sure it grows back anyway. Wow, this place is really coming together. Great idea. Less ain't more when it comes to snacks. Well, what you waiting for? Take some pictures. And show everyone what they're missing. Come on, you've got the dance floor all to yourself. Wait for it. Wait for it. I guess everyone wanted to be fashionably late, huh? It's not his party, but he can cry if he wants to. Just a reminder, I was here before it was cool. This must be the VIP snack bar. Who needs party bags? We've got free glow sticks. Wow, they were made for each other. I mean, their colors even go with each other. Still think she should have chosen Huggy Wuggy. After all, he was there from the start. Long leg horrific stuff. Catch you next time.